On the back of your computer, you're going to have a setup that looks similar to this. This right here connects directly to your computer. You don't ever want to remove that. This one right here is what you want to remove to connect your iPad dongle. Simply unscrew the silver connectors by twisting and separate the dongles. Match up the shapes. Connect the black dongle to your iPad dongle. And then connect this part to your iPad. When your projector is turned on to the computer mode, you will see whatever is displayed on your iPad. You can now use your iPad to display.